Hi, today we're gonna make Chinese pork riblet with Daikon. And this is the Daikon. We're gonna use we only use one enough, about a pound. We have to peel the skin. I'm gonna take the skin. See like that, and this one is different every pieces. Some of them are a little bit older, So and okay. See, you can cut into it so you don't see the dry spot. Sometimes in the outside they're a little dry on sometimes. See, a little different color. See, and it's supposed like that instead of a little whites in it. So you get into it little deeper. So, but that's okay. Sometimes you cook with little bit, it's okay. And so we cut it inside. We see how it go. See the inside. This one is pretty. So you cut it like that. Depend on sometimes you cannot see the inside, so you're lucky you pick the better one, or sometimes maybe a little bit older one. So, but they're okay. Yeah. Okay. Then we got the Daikon done here. Pork riblet we're gonna use. You can buy them in the store, or you can buy the bigger piece. You can chop it to small pieces. We use about 1.5 to 2 pounds. The riblet you have to cut it. It's a bone in there, the rib in there, so you cut it between the bone, like that. See, like that. Okay, so we have to marinate them. We put little soy sauce in it. Just little soy sauce. Some black pepper. Kind of mix them up. Oh, a little bit of cooking wine in it. Then we're gonna put some cornstarch in it. A little oil. And also we're going to turn on the heat. Alright, then I'm gonna wash my hand. Alright, then let's see how to put the oil in it, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, then now we're gonna put the ribs in it. We're gonna brown them up a little bit. Just brown them up. Now we're gonna put the spices to it, we're gonna put like ginger, like a couple tablespoons of ginger, and 2 pieces garlic in it. And also we're gonna use the starch, 2 little pieces. Don't put too much in it, otherwise it gets too strong. So just 1 big piece or 2 little pieces, in it. Have the cinnamon stick in it, and some green onion, and let them cook a little bit. And I also put some cilantro in it, like cooking wine, just like that, and some soy sauce. One tablespoon soy sauce. Couple tablespoon of chili paste. 2 tablespoons. And mix it up. I will put like 3 tablespoons of sugar. We use the brown sugar or sugar cane sugar. And a little bit of crushed red pepper, very little spice to it. Just a half teaspoon, just a little bit. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. After that, we're going to put some water in it. Just enough to cover the top of the ribs. Depends on how much rib you're going to cook, you know. Just like that. And then we're going to put the daikon in it. Okay, we're going to cook it to around 30 minutes. Okay, this is, we cook it about 15 minutes right now. So we're going to take a look at it. See, kind of mix them up so they can get cooked evenly, you know. See, they are tender enough or not, see. And oh, they're pretty good. So and we're gonna add some white pepper in it. See, just sprinkle some on the top. Just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more liquid in it, enough to so they don't burn, you know. So we're gonna cook it for like around probably 10 minutes. Okay, this about other 10 minutes right now. So should be ready. So we just mix them up, you know. Alright, then we're gonna put some of the chop up green onion and cilantro in it. Okay, I think it's ready. So we're gonna shut off the heat. Okay, this is Chinese pork spare rib and daikon.